get a whole chicken, half a chicken, put it in a pot, cover it with water. You bring it up to a boil, and then you let it simmer. I love this. Let it simmer, it'll almost float. But now you've accomplished a couple of things. A, you've got a cooked chicken, like I have here. And B, you have the chicken broth that you cooked the chicken in. So it's kind of like a wonderful thing. And then you can go from there. You can make dumplings, you can go on and on. But one of the things that I love to make, and I try to make at least once a week, is a chicken noodle soup. It's good, it's fresh, it's healthy. It's perfect time to do it right now. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start in this little Dutch oven here with a little butter. And we're also going to start with some onion, some carrot, and some celery. Then, the first layer of seasoning. We're going to add some salt and fresh ground pepper. Oh, yeah, babe. This is a big fancy show here, you know. We got a big budget. Oh, yeah. You don't think you get these digs for nothing, huh? Took me 10 years to get these digs. 10 years. So, once that cooks and gets, you might read the term translucent. Oh, what a cooking name. Translucent. Feeling a little translucent right now. Hilda. Chinese cabbage. Some people call it bok choy. Some people call it big bok choy. There's little bok choy, big bok. Hey, just leave it at Chinese cabbage. Okay? So now what we're going to do is this. I took some of that, shredded it up, the green part of it. We're going to add some of that in here. We're going to add some button mushrooms. We're going to add the chicken broth. Oh, yeah, babe. Bring it up to a boil. Now I got the vermicelli inside there. Then the chicken. Take the skin off. Go right down the breastbone there. Get rid of these bones here. That's the great thing about when you cook a whole chicken like that. Oh, some fat. Oh. Yeah, you got to be careful. Got the chicken fat police outside there. Oh, they'll bust you. All right, we got rid of that bone there. We get rid of this bone. All right. Now, nice, full of chicken. Up, another bone. All right, so now we're going to add the chicken in there. You want to add the chicken in last. Why? Because it's cooked. It's already cooked. You add it in too fast, right? What happens? Gets all stringy on you. You ever have a soup and it's all stringy on you? You know why. Pull out that badge. Tell them you're with the stringy police. Excuse me, I just cut chicken. I got to wash my hands now. You know the whole chicken rule. Yes. Touch a chicken, you got to wash your hands. Wash the board, the knife. Everything. Everything chicken you gotta wash. All right, when you're ready, here's what we do. We go over. Oh, look at this, the noodles, vermicelli. Ah, gotta taste it. Why? I don't want to use you as guinea pigs. We may have to re-season it. Yes. That's what happens. If you have to re-season it, that brain tells you, I'd like a little more salt. Okay. How about some fresh pepper? Yes. Pepper me. In goes. Oh, in goes the chicken. It's already cooked. It only needs 1, 2, 3. it's ready to serve. You see how easy that was? Oh, just put some of that chicken right in there. Oh, 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 some noodles. Yes, 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 some green onions right on here like that. Little bit of essence like that. Bam! There you have it. Done.